How to sell print-on-demand products on eBay with Printify. Hello, today we'll teach you on how to work with the Printify to sell your products on eBay. So first thing first, I would just like to let you know that Printify is a print-on-demand dropshipping platform where this allows online merchants to create and sell customized products such as t-shirts, phone cases, mugs, and other accessories without having to hold inventory or manage shipping. So as you can see here on my end, here you can add or have various options for your products, and you can easily connect it to your store if you already have an existing online store from Etsy, eBay, Shopify, and more. So here is how the platform will look like. And for us to begin here, we will need to start or sign in or create an account first. So for us to create an account, we just need to input our email address and create a password. Once you have everything done, Printify will be asking you a few information on how you describe your business or your store. So here, what describes you best, you just need to choose what fits you. For example, I'm a social media influencer, and for the main objective, I'll be choosing start my first online store. And then if you would need help from Printify, then what I'll be clicking here is I'll just choose I'm just exploring. And then they will also have a short survey on where we heard about the platform. So here, for you to start your products is you can order a sample, connect your store to Printify, or you can start designing your product. So before you proceed, here is the Printify's product catalog when you click on Start Designing. So you can have either men's clothing, kids' clothing, accessories, and a lot more. And then you can also click on Explore Now to show you on what are the best sellers or what products are most popular on this platform. See, so here you can scroll down, and so what I'll be doing here is this unisex heavy blend hooded sweatshirt, where later on we'll be adding a design on it as well. So before we create or start designing, what you need to choose or to begin is that you can actually check on what are the qualities of the product on the bottom part of the this page. And then before we proceed, you will need to click or choose on who will be the print provider or what company will be printing your design for the product. So here are the name of the companies, and there is also a rating depending on what you prefer. Here, so you can scroll up. So the higher the rating is, the more recommended, or this is the best option that you can choose. So for example, for SwiftPod, the location here is indicated as well. So the price for each product and also the shipping will be provided as well here. So they have different information or details. And then once you choose them, you can just click on Start Designing. And then you will be routed to this page where you can lay out on how the design will appear on the product. And here, so you have the front side and the back side. And on the right panel, you'll be able to create new design. You can upload this from your computer, or you can choose a template, or you can choose the graphic arts or graphic designs that are available on the platform. So here I'll be choosing this design. So you can resize the image, then you can move it depending on how you want it to appear. Here you can also add a design on the back part of the hoodie. So I'll still be going to the graphics part. Or you also have the option to just type in a text or add a text on the product. Here, takes a few minutes. Just want to make sure I choose the right design that would fit the product. So what you can do is you can go to custom text, and then you can just go ahead and input or choose what font you would like the text to be. Okay, and from here, once you have decided on what font you will be using, you can go ahead and type in the word of your choice on maybe a code or just the name of the company. So you can have it aligned on center or aligned on the right side of the design. So you can resize this to make sure that it will fit the design here or the hoodie, the product. So you can adjust the here. Make sure the design will only be within the border, since if it will be outside the border, the design or the text will be cropped. So we'll be choosing with the text as well, the color of the text. There you can see we'll be choosing yellow for this, for it to match the front design as well. So here on the colors on the right side of the screen, you have the option to choose what color your product would be available in. So you can choose gray, orange, blue, depending on what would fit or what you want to be, what is best fitting for the design that you created. You can just click on the color and it will automatically be added on the colors available for the product. Okay, just go ahead and click on save product. And here on this part, it will be, you'll be creating the product information. So from the description, on the pricing, you'll also see here on what colors are available for your design or for your product. You can just select all, and then you can also edit the price as well. So once you're done with all the informations here, you can go ahead and click to connect stores. So you have a lot of options here on the sales channel or sales platform from Spotify, Shopify, Etsy, eBay here. So you have a lot of options for you to choose here on the account here. So for example, you'll be choosing a platform already for your online store, and then from there you will be providing or logging into your online account. Here, as you can see, we already have created the first product, which was the hoodie that we designed today. So you just need to click on dismiss. So you can click to manage stores on the upper right corner of the screen, and you can go to my account where you can edit the name of your business. So let's say the name of my business is Nature is Life. And then you can also input the contact details of your business, like your name, the email of the business, phone number, and then you can just go ahead and click on save. Make sure that everything is filled out for you to be able to proceed with the next step. Okay, when you click on submit, the changes will be saved automatically. So here you can click on my files on what the designs were chosen for your products. And here under payments, you can also set up the payments that you will be using. For example, what payment method are acceptable for your store. You can use cards, and you can also modify as well what currency you'll be using. Okay, so once everything has been set up for the payment, that is good to go, your Printify will automatically connect to your online store platform like eBay. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.